स्टॉप। शॉपिंग इजी होनी चाहिए। सोचो, अगर आप कोई भी ई कॉमर्स वेबसाइट पे शॉपिंग कर रहे हो और वेबसाइट स्लो है, तो क्या आप उस वेबसाइट पे शॉपिंग कर पाओगे? Probably not. Then why are you still making shopping complicated for your customers? It's time to cut the complication. Come, let's explore WhatsApp catalogs. It's truly a game changer. With WhatsApp catalog, your entire store is right there in your customer's WhatsApp chat. Just a single tap away. It's fast, it's easy, and it's where all your customers are already spending most of their time. Think about it. No more lost sales because of website issues, complicated checkout processes. Your products beautifully displayed, easy to browse, and instantly bought. And with Delta by Shipyaari, you don't just create catalogs, you design a shopping experience that's smooth, that's personal, and very convenient. Plus, automated chatbots keep the conversation going, guiding your customer from browse to buy in no time. So why settle for slow sales when you can have instant conversions? Bring your store to WhatsApp today.